In this section we're going to look at some multiplication questions, and the first question is asking us to work out how much lemonade there is in 25 bottles if there's 700 mils in one bottle. So therefore all we're being asked to do is to multiply 700 by 25, in other words to calculate some long multiplication. And the rule for long multiplication is to treat the two-digit number as separate digits, and we're going to multiply by the 5 first of all and write our answer here, and then we're going to put a 0 down in the second column, and we're going to then multiply by the 2 and put our answer beside that. And the reason why we have a 0 in the second column is because the 2 in this number 25 is worth 2 tens. In other words, that is 10 times the value as if it was in the units column. So that's 5 units and 2 tens. So because it's worth 10 times more, that's why we have a 0 there. Okay, so if we complete this, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 sevens are 35. And then we're going to multiply by the 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 sevens are 14. And the last stage is just to add these numbers together. And we add them together, we get 17500, 17,500. So our answer is 17,500 milliliters, or if you wanted to convert that into litres and give your answer in litres, what you need to do is to divide by 1000. And if you're dividing 17,500 by 1000, all you need to do is to move the decimal point 3 places to the left. So if the decimal point starts here in any whole number, I just go 1, 2, 3. Decimal point ends up here, so therefore the answer would be 17.5 litres. One other way to write it down would be 17,500. Divide that by 1000. You can take off 2 zeros top and bottom, and then if you divide a number by 10, you just move it one place to the left. So you move the decimal point to here, and that would still give you the same answer of 17.5 litres. Okay, the next question, question 2 in multiplication, is asking you just to work out which of the statements is true. So you're told that the container contains 865 grams of coffee, and for 1 cup it takes 18 grams. You're asked to state which statement can be used to work out the total number of cups that can be made. So because you'll be using up 18 grams for each and every cup, then what you'll be doing is you would be having to divide 865 by 18, and that would tell you how many cups you could actually use, because 18 grams are being used for every individual cup. Choose option C, which is 865 divided by 18. Okay, question number 3 in relation to multiplication is asking you to work out how much feed the baby would receive over 24 hours. So we know that in 3 hours, every 3 hours, baby receives 75 mils. We've got to work out how much the baby would receive in 24 hours. So we need to find the relationship, like for like relationship between hours and hours, and then apply that relationship to the mils. So how do I get from 3 to 24? It'll always be a times table, a multiple, so 3 times 8 is 24. So therefore there are 8 feeds in the course of one day. So therefore all I need to do is to multiply 75 by 8 in order to get my answer. So 75 multiplied by 8, 8 5s are 40, put down your 0, carry your 4, 8 7s are 56, plus the 4 is 60, and your answer to this question is 600 mils.